Blood-red rain poured from the sky in Kerala, India for 2 months straight, staining everything pink. Scientists discovered microscopic red particles in every raindrop, but couldn't find any DNA inside them. While some claimed it was alien life from a meteor explosion, the truth was hidden in plain sight. Local red algae spores had multiplied by the millions during monsoon season, got swept into the clouds, and created this stunning natural phenomenon. Nature's mysteries sometimes have surprisingly simple explanations, but they're no less magical. If this mystery blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more unsolved phenomena.